gonna do a quick unpacking video. So on the Postie bike, there's people asking what are we carrying, so I'll unpack mine. So on the front, I started off with an MSR bag and it kind of deteriorated. So we were at Moscow the other day, so I picked up a Moscow bag. So up front in here, I'll lay the stuff out on the table for you, is not very much. Okay, so up front, you got a couple of breakfast bars, a tripod for the camera, a headlamp, charging brick, and some silverware. The rest in here, that's a hydration pack. So it's a built-in hydration pack. The next thing, this little pouch, these were like 20 bucks from Walmart. In here, got sunglasses, I've got a camera, I've got a battery charger, and I've got some spare batteries for the GoPro. So that's what's in there. In the back, I have this bag that I'm carrying, and this has my, so they've been called my Farmer John's. These are my insulated pants. Picked these up at Walmart for $69. So for the cold weather, they've been good. Tire on the back. Okay, so I'm gonna put stuff on the table. That's a bike cover. I've got a jacket with me. This is a waterproof from Moscow. This is that's their rack waterproof jacket, but it falls down pretty small. Shoes, flip-flops, a towel, and inside an iPad. My sleeping bag, which I actually have two sleeping bags in there. I have a 30-degree and a 40-degree blanket. My sleeping pad, that's a Big Agnes. This is a Nemo, and then an inner sleeping bag sheet, so the sleeping bag doesn't get dirty. A pillow, toiletries, a puffy jacket for the cold nights, cooking. I'll get to that in a second. That's all my clothes. That is my waterproof pants. They're Gore-Tex. I picked those up at REI at a sale. These are just overpants. What else we got here? I have an inner tube. That's some electronics, spare SD cards and stuff like that. A saw and a chair. Some laundry detergent and a washing line. And stay clean as you go. A drone, which I haven't even used. A spare pair of gloves that are waterproof and insulated. A bag for just some odd extra crap that I picked up along the way, nothing special in there. I've got some tie-down straps from Green Chili, poop trowel, elasticated strap if I need to hold something, extra 2-liter water bladder, a bag to put dirty clothes in, some odd spares, extra sprocket, brake lever, that kind of thing, some food, some wet wipes, and some lead because I need to balance my front wheel. So that's everything in the box. The box is an empty plastic bag. This is my tent. Actually, one more thing. That's a bag of tools. I'll do that in a different video. And this is my tent. It's one that I picked up at REI in a garage sale for $29. So that's everything that I've got on the bike. And I kind of look at packing in a couple of different ways, like that you want to pack. Just pack what you need, like minimalists. Not the lack of anything, just the right amount of something. And if you're missing something, pick it up along the way. These, for example, didn't need them in the south, needed them in the north. And that's it. I'm good for pretty much for 4 seasons. And that's everything that's on the Postie bag. And the extra tire was just one that a buddy gave me, but I don't even need to be carrying that. So this is about 50, I think 56 liters. And so we've done all these states. We're in California right now, Central California, and we have Nevada left to go. So that is good enough for the whole country. So that's all my stuff laid out. Nice and simple. Hope that helps you out, guys. I borrowed a hammer from Road Trash because I'm gonna put my tent up. So the tent I got from REI was in the garage sale. It was $29. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's set up. I'm going to do it as a time lapse.